Alright, you guys, so it is the day after our little blizzard. It was, I don't know, for me personally, I dig it. I'm pretty into it. It snowed, I'd say about a foot of accumulation, which wasn't actually too far off from what they had anticipated for us. I don't know, the trucks are out pretty good. I'm up in New England. They deal with the snow pretty just fine. I mean, it took a little bit late last night as far as the highways and stuff go to get clean. There was a lot of wind, but it's nice. I mean, it's a beautiful day now. There's a foot of snow on the ground. I think it'll probably hold. The temperatures for the foreseeable future probably aren't going to drop very low, so it should probably hold on for at least you know, a couple of weeks, I would say, maybe through the rest of the winter. We've had pretty weak winter as far as snow goes the past couple of years, so maybe this is a nice little start of it. Pretty sure from here on up got hit pretty good. Oh, my little geese are over there. Anyway, so yeah, so I figured I'd just kind of show you the beginning and the after from yesterday when it started, and kind of where it is now. But I'm just kind of driving through the little residential area next to my house. But yeah, they've done a good job. Driving's fine up here. It's not a big deal. I'm sure the news has everybody still freaking out. But yeah, it's nice. I think it's beautiful. And I have to walk in this later on. So, but it's all right. It's very enjoyable for me. Nice way to start the little winter season here. And yeah, it came in, you know, pretty fast last night and ended pretty fast, and now it just couldn't be more of a beautiful day. Blue, cloudy skies out. Yeah, it's nice. I'm excited about it. I'm glad that I'm not at the house. I don't have to blow snow or shovel a yard or anything like that. There's guys running around our apartment right now cleaning it all up just for me. Anyways, alright, you guys, so there you go. There's my little quick snowy update. Take it easy. Have a good day.